man with his fire truck. Listen to the cool sound effects. That's one. This is two. This is three. And this is four. And that's the sound effects.